Hey, what's going on, my Big One family? I want to welcome you guys over to the market update with myself, Bobbin. If you guys don't know me, I want to introduce myself. Been here for a while over at Big One, but just wanted to come over and tell you guys we're going to be starting doing the market update, and I will be your host for that. So hope you guys tune in and have a good time. As always, make sure you please like the video, also share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Then lastly, click the notification bell. That way, when we go live or we give updates, you guys can get them right to your devices. Okay, so I just want to jump right into one of the highlights of the week. In the last week is that the total market cap in crypto has actually went back above 1 trillion. So let me get my screen shared here. So we'll jump into the screen share and we'll see here that, the total crypto market cap has set itself back above 1 trillion, almost forming a double top on the weekly chart. So definitely something to be cognizant for the traders out there. Just one of the things you want to watch. Because if this thing does bounce away from here, it could start signaling an up move. A lot of people have been watching Bitcoin over the last week with a lot of the banks collapse. And one of the big ones was the Silicon Valley Bank, which we also know houses like 44% of US venture capital for technology and healthcare is actually housed in that bank. So with the collapse of that this week, there was a lot of speculation about money in the US. So a lot of people were pulling out their US, and a lot of spot Bitcoin was getting bought. And we know that when the spot Bitcoin's getting bought, it usually leads to the next run, right? But we're not going to speculate on that. I definitely want to jump over to my BigONE page here and just look at the chart for Bitcoin over the last week. We see that the week opened up around $20,000 and kind of pushed itself up to $28,000, and the outflows on Bitcoin actually went over 95 million. So a lot of outflows and a lot of great data on Bitcoin right now as people are starting to look bullish or get bullish on it. And some of the altcoins that have BTC pairs are starting to break down at these levels, but that's nothing that's uncommon. As the Bitcoin dominance starts to go high, we know that Bitcoin has most of the dominance in the space for a long time now. So nothing too crazy to see there. One of the other things I wanted to cover today, guys, is XRP also had a breakout, and that was more recently. We see that XRP had a nice breakout from the 37 cent area, pushed itself almost up to 50 cent, about a 30% move on the day. So it was really a big, hefty jump. We'll see how this holds as it pulls back. There was some news that came out that, maybe the SEC had to withdraw some of their claims from XRP and Ripple judgment. And that came out earlier today. So a lot of people are speculating that this case could be over. And a lot of people think XRP will eventually get right past the dollar after this case is over. We're not here to speculate that. We just want to bring you guys the news and tell you what's going on. But definitely good to see, this nice push on this big green candle here. A lot of people were excited on Twitter today, and congratulations to the people who are holding XRP. It is one of the things that can also be traded in a number of different fashions over here at BigONE, and we'll look at that here in a second as well. But I just wanted to cover that news on XRP as it almost breaks its downtrend that it's been in for over 300 days. And like I said, a nice 30% move today. You can see the order book now is starting to get a lot of sales on it right here. And the buy influx is still kind of healthy. So a lot of volume there. Will be interesting to see how that one plays out over the next couple of days. Definitely up 22% on the day even right now. So congratulations for the people there. But one of the things I was just talking about over on BigONE is if you did want to look at, the markets in real time, cryptocurrency markets, and see what's the biggest change. The biggest change today, you could easily just go over here and see here. We'll take off the watch list, go total, and we see that these longs that people are putting out, these leverage trades on XRP have been really healthy today. Some of them up over 135%, 75%, 60% for Cardano. So people are definitely longing a lot of things right now off the bottoms as there's news that could be coming out this week on the FOMC that could, maybe they'll have to stop raising rates. They're thinking about 20 BPS this week. So if people are pricing that into the market, I think a little bit more liquidity will flow in the market, but definitely something to be cognizant about. A lot of the things that you guys are looking for as far as information is real time over here at BigONE. Pretty easy to see. Even Ethereum had a nice push up over the last week as well, and just make some good headway. Kind of sat around, right? Like, oh, that's Bitcoin again. Let's see. So yeah, we see Ethereum here just kind of bottled around on the 1 day chart, trying to break through this resistance up here, and it's just a lot of speculation with the new burn factor on Ethereum that this price could actually start moving pretty fast as well. But it'll be one of the things that we definitely pay attention to over here at BigONE. you guys can get all your latest and greatest on that directly over here. One of the cool things about the feature on the web browser here, guys, you can see that once you go into the charts, you can see the order books as well as if you wanted to get in buy eat. And you can do that in multiple different ways, whether using credit card or other crypto means that you have already. So just wanted to come through, give you guys a quick update for the market for the week. We're also going to be doing these twice a week. So I look forward to having you guys back here a little bit later on the week. Let's do this again. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If there's anything that we're missing that you like on the market and you want us to kind of highlight and it's some big news, go ahead and throw it down in the comment section. We'll see if we can get it on the next one. But other than that, guys, just do me a favor, smash that like button before you head out, comment down below, and we'll see you next time, man. Thanks for tuning in over here with the BigONE family. Have a good one.